72% of immigrant families carry more than 3 types of debt at once. Managing debt in a new country can feel like a maze with no map. Credit cards, personal loans, maybe even debt from back home. But in 2026, there's a financial tool everyone's talking about: debt consolidation. Is it a smart path or a dangerous trap? Hi everyone, and welcome. Navigating finances in a new system is tough, and terms like debt consolidation can be confusing. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We'll explore the truth about consolidating debt, specifically for immigrant families dealing with unique challenges like building credit history and supporting loved ones abroad. For many immigrant families, debt isn't just about overspending. It's often the result of the dual pressure system, sending remittances to support family back home while covering high costs here, often leading to high-interest credit card reliance. The credit history gap. Without a long U.S. credit history, you might only qualify for loans with very high interest rates, trapping you in a cycle. The multiple debt juggling act, store cards, buy now, pay later plans, a car loan. Managing 5 different payments is overwhelming and expensive. The fear factor, the worry that a financial misstep could impact your immigration status or sponsor, creates immense stress, sometimes leading to bad decisions. So, what is debt consolidation actually? In simple terms, you take out one new loan to pay off many others. You go from multiple high-interest payments to one single, lower-interest payment. The good path, a legitimate consolidation loan. This could be a personal loan from a credit union or a reputable online lender. The goal is a lower APR than your current debts, simplifying your life and saving you money on interest. The dangerous path, high-cost solutions. This includes predatory payday loans disguised as consolidation or transferring balances to a new credit card with a hidden, sky-high rate after the intro period ends. The key question is, does this new loan improve your terms or just hide the problem? Here is the unfiltered truth for 2026. Debt consolidation is not magic. It does not erase debt. It is a tool. Your credit is key. Lenders in 2026 are using even more nuanced scoring. Your consistent bill payments can help. Nonprofit credit counseling is your secret weapon. Agencies like the NFCC offer free consultations. They can negotiate with creditors on your behalf for lower rates and set up a debt management plan, often a better, safer option than a loan. The home country debt trap. Crucially, you cannot consolidate debt from your home country with a U.S. loan. Trying to use a U.S. loan to pay off foreign debt is a major red flag for lenders and can create a legal and tax nightmare. These must be managed separately. The family talk. True financial stability requires an open conversation with family about, what you can realistically send without drowning in U.S. debt. So, the truth. Debt consolidation can be a helpful tactic if you get a lower rate and stop adding new debt. But it's not a cure-all, okay? The real foundation is understanding your unique financial picture, seeking nonprofit advice, and separating U.S. debt from obligations abroad. What's your biggest question about managing debt in the U.S.? Share it in the comments below. Our community can learn from each other. For your next step, Watch our video on how to build U.S. credit history from zero, linked right here. It's the essential first step before considering any loan. Don't navigate this alone. Subscribe for clear, practical financial guidance.